Welcome to the service for language schools provided by the Push2Learn platform. In today's video, we will look at how to register users on the platform. Users can be registered by administrators. First of all, you need to log into the service with your login details. You see the home page of the service with the statistics about all your users. Then you need to open an administration panel or a control panel, which you can find by clicking the red button on the left, which is called Admin Panel, and it will take you to the control panel where you can manage and control all parts of the platform. You need to go to the section called Users. You can find it from the drop-down menu here. Click in Users and you will see the database of all your users who can use your system. In order to add a new user, you click at the bottom of the grid the link plus add. You will see a new window with some fields to be filled in. You start with an email. You type in the email of your student or of your user. It is important to note that emails cannot be duplicated, so it's a unique feature or unique parameter for every user. Then you can set a password, or you can use a password which is generated by the system. Then you put a first name and the family name, a phone, and then you can add a company for this user if it is a corporate client. Companies are added in advance before the registration of users, so we will choose this company. Then you can add a group, but this field is optional, so you can leave it empty. Then you assign a role to this user. There are 4 different roles on the service. First of all, it's administrator. It's a person who can control and manage all parts of the system. Then there is a teacher. It's a person who can track the performance and activities of his or her students on the platform. Then there is a coordinator. It's a person who can control activities of students of certain companies which are assigned to this person. So usually it's a representative of a corporate client. And finally, there's a student, a person who can study on the platform. We'll create a student. Then we need to assign a teacher to our student. Teachers are also created before the registration of students, so that way they are in the database. So we set a teacher for our student. And the last field that you need to choose the parameter for is level. It's a level of your student. You can also add some comments in this field to, for example, like how the student found your school or some additional information for the test. And then you press save. And after this, your user is created. Your user is added to the database, and this user receives an email with the login details, and he can log into the service and start using the platform.